What is up, guys? Rupture Tech here with another video. As many of you guys have probably seen, Peter McKinnon uploaded another video called Making Photos Look Super Old. And I'm going to show you how to do that on a phone, since he showed you how to do it on a computer. Let's get started. So first up, you want to obviously have a phone. I have the S21 Ultra right here. Then you want a piece of paper, and what you want to do is you just want to wrinkle it up and flatten it out as much as you can. For dramatic look, you can add a little tear in it. I like to rip off an actual piece. Try to make that a little narrower. There we go. Get rid of that. As soon as you have your wrinkled piece of paper, you're going to want to take a photo of it. We're going to take a picture of it. Try to line it up as much as you can. Boom. After that, you want to get rid of the paper. Grab an old object or anything you want. For example, I'm going to use this slipper right here. Already looks kind of old. We're going to open up camera and take another picture. Let's see. Let's get it from an angle. I know, not the best example, but we work with what we have. Once you have your two photos, you're going to download an app called Snapseed. It's by Google. Just look it up in the Play Store or even the Apple App Store. You're going to open that up. You're going to click plus, and you're going to choose your first photo. You're going to go down to Tools, then Tune Image. You're going to lower the saturation. You're going to lower the highlights. You're going to decrease the shadows. You're going to up the warmth a little bit and decrease the contrast a little bit. Lower the brightness. You're going to save that and then export it, save. Next, you're going to open up your paper picture. You're going to go to Tools. You're going to go to Crop. You're going to try to get as much of the background out as possible. There we go. Save that. Go back to Tools. Go to Tune Image. Lower the brightness. Increase the contrast to get all those wrinkles to pop. Saturation, also down. Ambience, you can add that up a little bit. Highlights, definitely down. Look at all those wrinkles that pop out when you decrease the highlights. Shadows, you can increase it a little bit to about 20. Warmth, up a little bit. Save that. Now on to the next step. Once you have that all set, you're going to go back down to Tools, scroll down, go to Double Exposure. You're going to hit the plus sign and pick your edited photo of whatever you want for the old object. Once you're at that, you can see it's behind the piece of paper. You're going to go down to the card layout right here, scroll over, and hit Overlay. As you can see, it mixes it perfectly, and if you're not happy with that, you can adjust it up or down depending on your liking. Right around the middle is where it looks the best. You can edit the photo, line it up a little differently, and you're going to hit the check mark, and that's how you make your old photo. You're going to go to Export, then Save. Once you're there, you can go to Gallery, go back to Snapseed, and as you can see, you have the edited old picture and the edited paper picture right here. There it is. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see it in full quality. And like I said, not the best subject, but you can do it with anything. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.